Hello everyone and welcome back to Vlada's place. I was up very early this morning and I got to see this beautiful sunrise over the valley mist. Getting up early also means an early breakfast, and this morning I'm going to harvest some of the potatoes we planted a few weeks ago. So this is just a little tip for all of you who have a little dirt around your house to keep those potatoes, old potatoes that are rooting, and to plant them anywhere in a yard where you have water and allow them to grow. Growing potatoes is super easy. You just have to make sure that soil that you planted them in is moist. Plant them about 2 to 3 inches in the soil, and in about 7 to 10 weeks you'll be ready to harvest the first small potatoes. I hope my mom doesn't see this video because she will laugh, because here, as you can see, I'm picking up these small, tiny potatoes, which are nothing but a joke compared to the fields of potatoes that my family used to grow. Nevertheless, these are enough and they will do for this morning's breakfast. Getting up before sun does certainly has its advantages. Everything is calmer during this time of the day, and it's a good way to reconnect with yourself and with nature for the day ahead. A quick stop to a garden to pick up a few celery leaves and some onions. If you follow our channel, you know that last year we harvested onion seeds, and these are the new sprouts from those seeds. So we got a little bit of onions, some celery, and a few potatoes, so let's go and make a breakfast. My grandmother used to make these amazing fried young potatoes. So basically, wash them, cut them, and let them fry on olive oil. Since they are so young, these potatoes will cook within 5 to 7 minutes. Eating young fried potatoes was a delicacy. All they needed was just a little bit of salt. And while you cook them, make sure that you keep them covered. Busy bodies and busy brains require good fuel. I'm loading up on good protein and good carbs for the day ahead. Normally, my grandmother would finish up these potatoes with fresh parsley, but our onions and fresh celery will just have to do. Definitely not your typical breakfast. But a meal like this will keep you full almost for the entire day. Thank you to all of my followers, and for all of you who are visiting our channel for the first time as well, consider subscribing. There are a lot more recipes and easy tips on the way. Until then, please take good care of yourself and those around you.